There is one more keyword which is related to the exception, that is known as a throws keyword. Okay, and what is the role of that throws keyword that I'm going to explain in this video. So guys, we have understood that whenever there would be any checked exception, at that time we must have to handle it in the program like this, that we have to use the try and catch. Then and then it will allow us our program to compile. Okay, but uh, suppose if you don't want to handle the exception in your particular method, like here in the main method I don't want to handle the exception. Okay, so in that case what I can do, so here that if you don't want to handle the exception in particular method like main method, or let me have one more method over here, that let's say the method is that void check number kind of method is there. Okay, and here I'm just providing the number in form of integer, that is number. Okay, and the rest of the code that I'm going to copy over here, right, this going to work. Okay, and I'm just going to call this check number. Let me declare this method as a static, so I don't require to create object of this class. So this is what, like here, suppose if I want to remove this error, what I supposed to do, I just require to add the try and catch. Okay, like this. Let me show you that what you can do, you can surround the statement with try and catch like this. Okay, so here if you don't want to handle the exception in the check number method, then what else you can do, you can add keywords in the method declaration like throws. Okay, and what kind of exception it throws, it throws a number not in range exception. Okay, so what will happen, that now you don't require to handle that exception over here. Rather than that, what you are doing, you are passing the responsibility to the caller of this method. Now who is the caller of this method? The main method. And here inside the main method, now if you will write this call of the method like check number with the number, immediately it will show the error that you must require to handle the exception, as the method which the caller method is not handling that exception. You must have to handle it over here. So what you can do, you can do the same thing, you can surround this method call with the try and catch, so that it would be, that exception would be handled over here. Suppose if you don't want to handle that exception inside the caller method also, or calling method also, then what else you can do, same thing you can do, like you can use the throws keyword in the method declaration of the main, and there you can mention the number for and not in range exception. So here also you don't require to handle the exception. Okay, so that is, this is the use of the throws keyword. So remember that the throw keyword is used to generate the manual exception, whereas the throws keyword is used to passing the handling to the caller method. Okay, that is the difference between throw and throws keyword. That's it for this video.